So here's the old intake, guys. This thing was super heavy, obviously a little bit restrictive. You can see the ports here, just two for that little 2-barrel Rochester. And there's where she was cracked. Right there. It's kind of hard to see, especially with on the camera, even with the naked eye. So basically, coolant was getting into the intake port here. Oh, sorry, pointed the wrong port, and it was burning it off. So I'd always top it up and be like, why is it still, you know, just, it's depleting every single time I drove it, which was odd because you'd think that'd throw off the tune and this thing would run like crap, but it actually ran beautifully. Like, that was never an issue. Started right up, sounded amazing, revved up good, seemed to make decent power, but it, again, just kept overheating. So that is fixed. I got a big Summit Racing aluminum intake manifold on there, and right now it's stepped down to that 2 again, but that 2-barrel is not enough. This thing is running pretty lean. I tried wrenching it all the way out. It's just not enough for those new intake ports. I also got the heads redone at that same machine shop that found this leak, so I'm very excited about that. They are pressure tested, new valves, new springs. They are cut, so resurfaced, so they're perfect. So don't have to worry about anything with the heads. I got Felpro head gaskets on there, and it doesn't leak a drop of anything right now. So we're gonna keep our fingers crossed that that stays the way it is. And right about now, we're gonna do a little bit of a power upgrade. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so here's the unit I got for 50 bucks. It's gonna be awesome because it says hardcore on it. I got it from a coworker. It is nasty. Quick little update here, guys. This thing is crusty. All of this dust around everything has just been from me wire brushing it out. Unfortunately, I don't have a ultrasonic cleaner, so I'm just gonna have to kind of use a lot of brake clean and do my thing here. But so far, I got this bowl pretty clean. Got those metering plates decent. You know, it's as good as I can really get it. You know, with the carb, you want to be like surgically clean, but I think I should be able to get it close enough to where it's not gonna leak like a stuck pig out of the float, but we'll see what happens. Let's keep after it. Let's get her done. So just got the carb rebuilt. Guess you guys can't really see me there. Got the original gasket from that 2-barrel adapter. Just gonna throw it on there, adjust a few things, see what I have to fix and change, because I'm sure some of the hose lengths are bad. and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so that concludes the carburetor rebuild video. We got this thing set on here. I'm just waiting on a few parts, like an air cleaner that'll hopefully clear under the hood, and then a AN line that goes from both bowls. I already have the fittings on here, but I'm actually just gonna step it down with the fitting from Summit, and I'm gonna get it to 3/8 so I can just hose clamp this fuel line right on there. It's gonna be a really good setup. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully the video quality will continue to climb. This is my first time trying time lapse, so we'll go from here. But again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.